This is Gina, the Ultimate Puppy Picker, doing a 2-week eval with a puppy we named Roman, but he's sold, and they are going to call him Ronin. Ronin Hubble. I guess after spaceship stuff. I did look into it a little bit, but that was a couple days ago. 2 weeks old, eyes open, pretty cool pup. Love the profile of these guys. Like I said, you know, they still have puppy faces from the front, but from those profile views, man, just looking like really beautiful, solid puppies. Awesome rear, neck, shoulders, and that big old dome. You know, bulldogs should have a huge head for the size of its body. You know, breeders don't always love that because they don't have it, but I'll tell you, everybody walking on the street, that's what they like, that's what they want. And that's just great type, you know. And that's all genetics and picking the right puppies for your program to move forward. But they come from a line of great rears. So we really have high expectations for our productions. And this is really cool overall puppy. Going to a really cool family. Okay, let's do the test because you're a little wiggly. Oh, you're gonna give me a hard time. Okay. What's the matter? You haven't eaten in 30 minutes, huh? You haven't eaten in 30 minutes? No. Okay. Well, here's Ronin. We'll have to try that again. Very sweet puppy. Very cool puppy. Would you put your tongue away, boy? Put your tongue away. Let's see your face. I know his family cannot wait to get him. But you guys are welcome to come see him anytime. They're almost getting around walking, but next week's video they'll be running off this table. Okay.